Welcome back once again. All right, so you've created a deployment, and according to the replica set, the pods were deployed. You also upscaled and downscaled it, so it was all running all nice and fine. So let's go ahead and see where we are right now. So we are here. So we have done this much, right? And a worker node 2, the steps are pretty much the same as they were here. Uh, your step number 23 and 24, which will ask you to create a worker node, name it as get is node ADM2, install Docker on it, install kubectl, kubeadmin, and kubelet on it, right? Now, since these are repetitive steps, and probably somewhere later in, later at a later stage, I'll create a some kind of automation script for it. What I did is I actually did it already. So if you go to the setup here that we were using last time, you can see that I've already added a K8s node admin 2 into the mix. So I can nicely remove this from here so that you can see what's going on here. All right, we have three pods which are currently deployed. Okay, now we'll see one more thing here, right? What we'll do is we'll change our watch a little bit. So we'll just come out of it and we'll say watch kubectl get deployment. We'll get some more information about the pod. In the previous watch, we were doing all namespaces. Here we are doing O wide, which will tell you a lot of other things like the machine on which your pod is deployed. It won't show you the pods with respect to the Kubernetes component, but that's fine. We already know that what happens there. How they get installed, and even the flannel as well. We don't need to see that anymore. So what we'll do now is we'll do something exciting. Okay, we've done all this joining and everything. So these are all just going to be steps which are similar to the steps that you've done for worker node 1. In case you have any issues with respect to um, creating a worker node or getting the join token, you can run the command again, this command again on the master, and you'll get the join command here. In case this has become stale for you, sometimes what happens is this token becomes stale. It will say, your worker will say it is not connected. So you can use this. You can use this command to create this token again. Step number 40, right? Okay, so I've started this. So I can now, I think, easily say that we are done up till here. Actually, till here, yeah. All right. So what we'll do is we'll scale up now. We'll say we want to scale up to 9 replicas. All right. So keep a watch here. There are 3 replicas here. We want to scale up to 9. All these 3 replicas are on node admin 1. Just keep a note on the IP addresses. It ends with 43, 44, and 42. Right. Now go ahead and create the deployment. Make sure that your deployment name is correct, which was not in my case. Yeah, go ahead and create the deployment. Now you'll see that the moment you'll do it, the deployments will get upscaled, right? And observe something else here. The extra pods which are coming, right? Just see where they are. They are not in the scheme IP scheme of 4. They are in this IP scheme of 5 now. At least 4 of them, right? On node admin 2. Which also tells you that the way network admin add-on provider has been configured is in such a way that if pods have to go to different nodes, they are going to start with a different IP scheme, right? For admin 1, it is 4 from starting from point 4, point 2, dot 4, dot 2, and so on. For admin 2, it will be dot 5, dot 2, and so on. If you add another node, it will be dot 6, dot 2, and so on, right? So that's what it is. That's what I wanted to show in this video. If you go ahead and say that I want to downscale it to, let's say, what 3 now. The moment you say that, your pods will start getting terminated pretty randomly, I would say. Not necessarily that is going to go to the machine 1, worker node 1 or 2. It will go to just any machine. And see over here, it has deleted all the 6 pods deployed and 1 pod deployed on 6 pod deployed on machine worker node 1 and 1 on machine 2, right? So you have 2 pods running, so it's pretty random, and it's good for load balancing as well. So that, my friends, should end this video, and also brings an end to this complete series. Hopefully you enjoyed developing the cluster both in the manual fashion as well as with ADM. I will be uploading another series on doing the same with admin on VirtualBox on your local machine. So very soon I'll start uploading the series for that, a separate playlist probably. Till then, have a great time, stay safe, and I'll see you soon. Thank you so much.